Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you live in Midwest USA, or if you live in up north USA, or if you live in Canada, okay, you must be equipped at this time to take care of the business. So guys, I'm gonna take you guys along with me on how I plow my driveway and the equipment I use in taking care of the business. And if you're interested in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Thank you for watching. So guys, this is how we woke up on January 4th, 2023. And because it was a huge snow overnight, we have to plow our driveway in case you want to drive out or go to work or go to the store. But thank goodness we work from home. So we're going to do this very early, then get back to home office and start the day. And you can see my husband and I taking care of business here because nobody's going to do that for you, especially when you live overseas. You don't have a help to help you do any of this. So you have to do your job yourself, take care of business like every other person living overseas. And we have this beautiful machine that I actually bought that for my husband. I think it was a Christmas present not many years, a Christmas present years ago. We've had this for over 5 years. It has never given us any trouble and it still works very perfectly. So let's continue to enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave me your thoughts in the comment section. See the height of the snow. 1 day snow. This is the height. Oh, you're not getting it well. So guys, this is the height of the snow. You can see 1 day snow. Yeah, this is the height of 1 day snow. More than my whole hand, the length of my hand from ground to up my wrist actually. That's what we woke up to this morning. You can see my neighborhood is all covered. By entrance, you can see the passage to my entrance is completely covered. This is what we woke up to this morning, the 4th of January. Yeah, this is the 4th of January 2023. All right, let's get back to business, okay? This machine is actually a lifesaver. It makes it very easy and convenient for you to plow the snow with less stress. Assuming we were to use shovel to do this, you can understand what it means. It would have been hard labor. But with this, it makes it a lot easier. And this particular product has ranges. It has the big one, the medium size, the lightweight type. This one is a little heavy. You can see I'm struggling to move it around, but it's very, very good for my husband. He loved it and still loves it since I bought it for him for Christmas. The weather is not that cold, so plowing the snow this morning was just very easy, and I am so happy doing this. Yeah, yours truly, Oyoyo, the good wife that I am, helping my hubby take care of this business. It was so fun that we did it together. The kids were still sleeping while we were doing this. Hey, still May. Yeah, I got my cap on. Morning exercise, guys. So guys, I'm gonna walk through the snow for you guys to see the size of the snow. All the way deep down. So see how deep it is. Then if I come over here, this is solidify already. It's so deep. Let me see if I get my camera for you guys to see what I'm talking about. You can't even stand on it because it's still fluffy, but it's not cold. It's not cold, which is beautiful. But the snow we got over the night, I don't even know how many inches. I'm gonna listen to the news to know how many inches of snow we got overnight. But it's very, very huge. It's fluffy. It's easy to plow. So yeah, you gotta run. You gotta run. Where you gotta run? So guys, this is my snow plower. It's Troy BILT Storm 2410. This is a powerful machine. We have never repaired anything for the past 5 to 6 years. We've been using it. It has been good. My hubby likes it. He likes the size, the weight, and the fact that it can shoot out snow at a very far range. That is fascinating. And that is very good because if you have a wide range to plow, like my driveway can actually pack 3 to 4 cars side by side, so it's really so broad, then you need something that can shoot off those snow very far from the one you already plowed. That's why we love it. You can see how it's going. You can see the range the snow is being shot out. Fantastic. This is not a sponsored video, not at all. It's not a paid ad, but I'm reviewing this product based on my personal experience and the fact that my husband loves it. So my husband's testimonial of this product, yeah, it's a good product. It's been serving the purpose without any stress, and I will recommend that to anyone that lives within my area, Midwest USA, or if you live up north, or if you live in Canada and you're looking for a snow plower to buy, I will recommend it. So guys, you can see what we achieved today. Yes, we took care of business. Everywhere is cleared. This is entrance to my home. You can see it's very well taken care of. Thank you for watching this video with me. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and leave me your nice comment in the comment section. Thank you guys.